Whenever you receive a call from home,
It's a complaint.
It's a complaint. The person needs something from you.
Sure.
So sometimes do not pay too much attention to those calls because they want to distract you.
Yeah, when you were at home roaming about the streets,
Nobody cared.
Nobody cared for
Yes.
you. It's not that you are going to be wicked or going to turn your back on people because they didn't help you. No. But you should consider that these people should not bring you back to the level you have left before.
Yes.
So you should know what the money you can give to somebody that will not bring you back to poverty. So you are running away from poverty level. Don't allow somebody to draw you back to poverty.
Number 3 is knowing who you are going to trust with your finances in case you have a project to do at home.
Yeah, that is a very important point because many people have stayed abroad so many years, sending money home, their wealth. When they get home, they become so poor, so wretched, and so frustrated. Why? This is because the people they are sending money back home, we are just squandering the money. You see, when you begin to send money home for a project, you should be very, very careful.
Very good.
Yeah, you should know whom to send your wealth to. Because people at home have this mentality that as you are abroad, money is falling from heaven.
Correct.
That you are plugging money.
You are picking money
on the street.
Yes.
So every money you send home is just chicken change. You send to them they will just useless it. Do you know that some people will give their brother or their sister money to start project at home? They will be sending the money home. Their sisters or brothers will go and snap a building somewhere, sending the building pictures to them that the project is already going on.
Yes.
Why nothing is going on?
Nothing is going on.
So these guys, after spending years abroad, sometimes they have problem. They send back
Yes.
to Africa, their country. They get there and nothing to hold on, nothing to fall on. Okay, the wealth they have labored for so many years, because they sent them to the wrong people back home, they end up squandering the money. So you should know whom to trust. You should know who to send money to. If you know you don't trust anybody, before you come abroad, you put your account in order.
Yes.
You can transfer your money from abroad to your bank account back home. Anytime you return home, if you have problem or you go on your own, your money is there for you.
Make sure you settle everything about your transaction, about your banking issues. Because I've seen so many videos about people who were abroad and when they come back, they met nothing after sending much money to their brothers and sisters. So know the person you are going to trust your money to, who you are going to be sending money in case you have any project at hand. When you are doing any project, because there will be a lot of pressures for you to send money to them. Make sure you trust the person, but don't trust too much. Send your money to your account and make sure you are the one who sends the money to whoever you are sending to. Don't give them too much access to your account because they are going to squander all your labor, and at the end of the day, you go home and you are confused, you are frustrated, and you are left with nothing because you are listening to their complaint.
Not that you don't help people at home, but you should know whom. Some people, they can lie to you. Someone may call you and tells you that he or she is in the hospital.
Yes.
Right now that she wants to die, They need $50,000, they need $100, $200. You don't know that he wants to use it for party.
Just like the story you told me about.
So that's what you just want to use it for partying, you don't know how you are suffering to get that money abroad.
You know they believe that when you are abroad, you pick money on the streets, just like I said in my last video, that they think that people pick money abroad. But people don't pick money abroad. Whatever you get,
You labored for it.
You labor for it. In case you don't labor for it, somebody has paid the price. There is no free money. If you are sending money to your brothers for project, make sure you trust the person. It's not somebody that after you have labored, they will squander the money for you
And tell you stories.
And when you get home, there's nothing you can do to the person.
Oh, it's very, very painful that even some people are very wicked at home, that you will see a brother or an uncle, someone sends money to, after building a project or buying plots of land, he uses his own name.
Yes, they take ownership of the property.
So when the person returns, you begin to threaten him that he will kill him. Before you know it, they go diabolical. Many people, this thing is reality. We are not trying to make fun of this thing or make comedy. These things are happening every day back home. People have lost their lives as they return from abroad just because somebody they gave money wants to still possess that money. Then they go as far as eliminating the person just to retain his wealth. So one must be very, very careful whom to send money to, whom to trust, and how to answer calls from home.